Hello, this is Mohsin Azam Khan, your CFA instructor, and today's video is on the basic mistakes, 5 common mistakes students make that becomes the reason of them failing in the CFA level exam. Number 1, ignoring ethics. I've seen lots of students, they feel ethics is a very easy subject, hence they ignore in their preparation, provided it is one of the highest weighted subject. So please study it thoroughly, do not take it lightly because it can become a tiebreaker for your examination result. Second, passive studying. I've seen many students studying syllabus again and again rather than practicing that syllabus. So they ignore the practicing side and they keep on studying CFA books and different notes, but please practice more than studying. If you're done with the syllabus once, that's enough. Now keep practicing, revise through practice only. Third, poor time management. One of the common mistake that makes you fail the CFA exam. I've seen students coming up to me and they feel as if CFA can be studied in 2 months or 1 month or 3 months. Please give it enough time. If you're a working person, you need more time. If you're a full-time student, you need lesser time. But please give enough due time to the CFA syllabus because it's huge, it's humongous, and you have to compile the syllabus very well. Fourth common mistake is ignoring the weaker areas. I've seen my students at times, they run away from their weaker areas. Obviously, you have to study 10 topics in CFA. So if you will rush away from your weaker areas, what if it comes in the exam? And that's what exactly happens. Like let's suppose one student's not liking statistics. He or she doesn't study that enough, but it may be tested in the exam. So you will have to study your weaker areas. Do not run away from them. Fifth and the most important, not having a study plan. I've seen many students, they don't know which subject to study first, which topic to study next. They do not have a good alignment of topics. Now your CFA syllabus is structured as if they are connected, the topics are connected with each other. Now, if you will not study, for example, quantitative methods first, then how would you end up understanding portfolio management calculations, fixed income calculations, or equity calculation? So please follow a good study plan as well. Avoid these common 5 mistakes if you want to excel in your CFA examination. And if you're looking for foolproof study plan, expert guidance, you may join my CFA preparation program in which I will cover and I'll be your assistant, and I say it as let the teacher be your study partner. Thank you.